So we got this aluminium checker plate. So yeah, once this is all given a final rub down, the top coat on, it's actually going to look pretty decent, I think. Right, fun enough sanding and rubbing down. I'm going to paint it. Ignore the middle bit because that's going to have the checker plate over it, but generally speaking, I mean, it's not too bad. See how it is when it's painted, but yeah, do the job. Turned out pretty decent, just putting the rivets in, riveting in the checker plate part. Clean up these brackets, paint these white hinges even, and yeah, good to go. Let it dry for a few days to harden and then stick it on. Shout out to the previous owner, or actually no, that's not fair. I mean, it's likely not the previous owner, probably the previous owner that repaired this with parcel tape. Wow, delightful. Yeah, at least the floor's almost finished. Got one of them on. The good thing about these parts is that they're all interchangeable. So this is from a 2012, but I mean it easily fits on pretty much all Defenders. So dead simple as well. Some people prefer the long sort of sidebars, but I don't feel like they work as well. And I like these because they're retro. So yeah, that's what we're putting on just now. Operation Save Money is in full swing. Rather than buy a new wing mirror, we've just got a new bit of glass. Look at that, beautiful. You just pop this plastic retaining part round, back over, and it should just hold it in snugly. And yeah, I'll clean up the stock, paint the backs of them gloss white to match the blue and white paint scheme. And yeah, the other one is not broken, so more money saved. Hello. Okay, so we've got some bits to reassemble the doors with. For now, we've just gone with the basic bits. I can upgrade things. I can get aluminium handles. I can get, you know, fancier, stronger bits. But these things will do the job. New winder, locks. We've got these for the bonnet hinges. Actually came with the bushes. I bought bushes as well. So we've got the actual lock mechanisms, some of the links for the internal locks. These hold somehow. I forget how it goes. Is it through there? Through there maybe. And then those go onto the door. And these are for wheel arches, and this has been restored by my wife, so that's ready to go on the back of the car. Door cards are a bit minging, so I can maybe try and see if I can either get a cover for them, I can maybe paint them. New ones are like £100 each, so I kind of want to just try and restore them. So inside here we've got partially reassembled, so the doors are actually working, which is good. But yeah, missing the links between here and the actual lock for the handle. And the other side we're missing the lock, so I'll just replace them both at the same time. And yeah, we're just prepping the wings for paint as well, so I'm going to turn it around, charge the battery up, turn it around, and then we'll be good to go. So yeah, I just need to clean out a lot of the crap from underneath. Ah yes, and we've got the hinges which I'm stripping down, and we'll paint these wing mirrors white. Right, today we're repairing this rear wheel arch. I was going to buy a new set of nice sort of gloss plastic ones, but just to save some money for the time being, just repair the original ones and yeah, use them for a bit, see how they turn out when they're painted. Just got some like rubber filler stuff that I've put on here. We'll sand that down, put it in some plastic primer, and then paint them the same colour as the rest of the body. See how they look, and then yeah, see if we can use them long term, or it might be just a short term thing until we buy like a brand new set of kind of aftermarket ones. So yeah, just sand these down and get it all smooth and get them in primer. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, got up fairly early this morning and painted the front wings. I think that's going to be it for this video. Next up is wheel arches, and just install those door bits that I was showing you. Make sure maybe refurb the door cards, I'm not sure, or just put them on and make sure all the locking mechanisms working fine. Back door is obviously a priority as well, and get the bonnet installed as well. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.